Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to add Bluetooth and other devices to quick access in laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, first of all, you have to go to your taskbar and you have to click on this icon. Now here you can see edit option. Click on it. If you want to add your Bluetooth and other devices to quick access, then click on Add button and press on Bluetooth or other devices. So you can see I have added my Bluetooth to quick access. That's it. So this is how you can add your Bluetooth or other devices to quick access in laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.